Would you like to start your day with a mindful movement practice to shrug off sleepiness, wake up the body, and help you feel energized and ready to start your day? I'm Lisa Fabry, and I start every day with some gentle yoga and Qigong exercises. Join me in this 10-minute morning practice to focus your mind, ease stiffness from the body, and leave you energized, alert, and motivated for the day ahead. It's great if you can do your practice outside, where you can breathe in the fresh air, listen to the sounds around you, and notice the details of your environment. Come to standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Release your ankles, knees and hips, and draw the tailbone down towards the ground and the crown of the head up towards the sky. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, feel as if you're dropping your weight down into the ground. Release your arms and start to gently bounce through the knees, bending the knees and straightening, bouncing up and down, and let that bounce travel through the whole body, shaking through the arms, the hands, the shoulders, breathing deeply, shaking off sluggishness, shaking your arms in all directions, feeling yourself waking up, letting go of stiffness and fatigue, warming up your muscles, increasing the mobility in your joints, shaking out your legs too, and perhaps if you feel like it, even jumping up and down a little bit. Shake a little bit faster, and then pause, holding your palms towards each other as if you've got a ball of energy between your hands. And as you breathe in, opening your palms, and as you breathe out, bringing them together. Breathing in and out. Stepping your legs a little wider now and bending forwards from the hips with a flat back. Start to shift your weight from foot to foot, rolling your torso as you do so. Feeling this lovely rotation through the hips, easing out those very stiff hip joints sometimes in the morning. Rolling over one leg, and then coming back to center again. And then rolling to the other side, reaching over the other foot. Gently coming back to the center now, and ease yourself back up to standing. Stepping your feet back to shoulder width apart, and as you breathe in, arching the back, and as you breathe out, rounding forwards. The tailbone goes back, the tailbone tucks under, chest lifts, and the chest rounds forward. Feeling your spine flexing and extending. Now rolling your arms in and out as you turn and look behind. Roll the arms in from the shoulders to the fingers, and then rolling them out the same way. Breathing in and out as you turn. Breathing in to center and out as you turn and look behind. Stepping out again now and bending your knees out over your toes. Breathe in and raise your arms up, making a diamond shape between your fingers. As you breathe out, bend forward, reach out in front of you And as you breathe in, reach up again. Straightening the legs as you bend forwards and reach out. And then bending the knees again as you roll up towards the sky. Feeling this lovely movement through the side, torso, ribs. And then going in the other direction. Breathing out as you come forwards. And breathing in as you reach up overhead, looking between the fingers as you go around in a big circle. And then stepping the feet together again and breathing out. Bring the hands down. And coming back to your center now, hands on your belly, feeling the earth beneath your feet. Notice how you're breathing now. Notice how you feel after these few gentle but powerful meridian Qigong exercises. And now let's step the feet wide for some yoga practice. Turning your feet to one side, breathe in and raise the arms, and as you breathe out, bend the front knee and lower the body. Breathing in, keeping the body upright, and breathing out, the knee comes down over the ankle. Breathing in and out, matching the movement to your natural breath. Now drop the back hand onto your thigh and breathe in, float the front hand up towards the sky, lengthening the side. And then rolling over, rest your elbow on the knee as you reach up and over and sweep forward, coming back up to standing, hands on the hips and folding forwards with a flat back. Option here, if you're feeling more flexible, to place your hands on the floor. And then breathe in, bend the knees and roll back up to standing. Turning your feet the other way. Breathe in, raise the arms, and breathe out, bend the front knee, keeping the back legs strong. Breathing in as you come up and out as you bend the knee and come down. Maintaining your focus throughout the practice. Release the back hand, reach up towards the sky, big breath in, and exhale, windmill over, and reach with the other arm, looking up under the armpit there. Sweeping forwards, hands on the hips, and come forward to wherever's comfortable for you, making sure your back stays flat. If you're feeling a little more stretchy, you could bend your elbows and bring your head down towards the ground. When you're ready to come up, bend the knees and use your legs to bring yourself up, back to standing. Breathe in, gather your arms overhead and breathe out. Bring your hands in front of you. Breathing in, palms down, then turn the palms, and breathing out, hands down. Breathing in, gathering the energy, and breathing out, bringing it all the way down through your body, resting the palms on your lower belly again. Gentle breaths. Become aware of your whole body now, noticing what you feel. Perhaps you're feeling more relaxed, more peaceful, more energized. And when you're ready, you can release your hands and begin your day. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below so that we know which videos you're enjoying and we can make more of them for you. Please comment below if you have any questions or you just want to share your thoughts and ideas. We'll be sure to reply. Please subscribe and click the bell notification. We put out content every week, so by subscribing, you'll be sure not to miss any videos.